What's going on? So, greetings from the data center for one last time. Yep, it is the end of an era, I guess you could say. I am leaving the data center. John got the other link set up and stuff for me, and that's all dialed in, and I switched over to it maybe a week ago now, something like that, and it's been working really well. So, we don't need this no more. It means it's time to get out. It's gonna save me over $700 a month. That money goes right back in my pocket. So that's amazing. Well, that means I get to move all this shit. Well, not all of it. That's mine, it's going. That's Juan's, I might leave it. So John actually has another data center, come to find out, that he does business with and has gear in. And I was talking to him because Juan said that he still needs his server in a data center so he can get to it from where he is. He doesn't live here anymore, he lives in Texas. And I mentioned that to John, and John's like, oh yeah, I got this other place I'm at. I was like, oh, okay, cool. So I might put both of those. Juan's is gonna go in there, but mine, I might put mine in there too, because I was telling him that, you know, if nothing else at all, having a server out in the cloud with a really solid, you know, really fast connection is quite nice. Which it is. It's very handy for certain things. So I might put that in the other data center, but I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Juan's is definitely going there. All this other stuff though can pretty much go away. Well, the stuff that's mine at least. Anyway, yeah, that's Juan's, that's mine, that's definitely going. I might leave that there just so it can go straight over to the other data center. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Those are both John's, so those can stay. And that's John, so that can stay. I would take the stuff down for him, but it wouldn't really serve a purpose because he doesn't live anywhere near me. You know, me taking it to my house doesn't really save him any time. Actually, it'd probably make it take even longer for him to come get it because I live kind of far away. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here so he can come get it whenever he feels like. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna be out of the data center, like out. I might owe like a half month kind of thing or something. I'm not real sure. I haven't talked to them yet. Yeah, they don't know. Surprise! So that's still yet to kind of be discovered. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we'll find out. So it is time to take things apart. First, I have to shut my server down. And I might shut... Oh, I'm going to leave Juan's here, yeah. I'll leave it here because he's still using it from time to time. So I can leave it here. John can take it when he takes it to the new data center and comes and gets his shit and all that. That's actually a little less downtime for Juan anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Mine though, I can take mine. I was gonna take down the Ultra Horn, and yeah, I forgot the key. I was hoping the doors would be unlocked, as they were the last couple times I was here, but no luck. So I'm here, might as well grab what I can. I'm gonna grab my server and my other little odds and ends, like this is mine, my old cloud key. If anyone needs that, let me know. I'll sell it cheap because I don't need it anymore. This is mine. This is mine. That cable maybe. You know, there's little odds and ends shit. I think that switch is mine, maybe? I don't remember. Yeah. So time to get to work. So gotta plug that in. That in. And fitty shot, screw it up every time. Okay. Hello. You no work. All right. Some shmoo on one of the pins. That's cool. Ew. Kind of gross. Are you working? No. I'm about to just turn this bitch off. No worky. Can you see it? It's a black screen. Okay. Why? I only have one input, so it's not like I have to change input, you bastard. Couldn't do anything anyway. Okay, well. Ooh, I have an idea. We have Wi-Fi here. I can get to it from from the Wi-Fi and shut it down. So that'll work. This is the server that was giving me trouble. It was like rebooting randomly. It has, I don't know if you can see it or not, 76 days of uptime now. So it's been doing pretty well. I don't know what the hell the deal was with it before. I swapped the RAM sticks into the right slots, but even after that it rebooted a couple times and then all of a sudden it stopped. So I don't know. But bye-bye uptime. Clock. Alrighty, so that is shutting down. Unhook the network. Get this damn thing out of my way. Don't need this. You know, worky. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Oh. Turn off. Nope. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Turn off, you bastard. Really? Hey, there it goes. Sweet. Got everything off, and it's shut down, so it is time to go. You may remember, though, I had to put this in backwards. So it actually goes out the other side, which is kind of amusing because everything else in here faces this way, and mine's like, no! Okie dokie. So this, and then there's a button or something, I don't remember. Push it, or do you pull it? Ah, there it is. Push it. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Big burly bastard. Oh. What the hell is this plugged in? There we go. Server is out. All right. I'm gonna take these out. There used to be a screwdriver here, so I didn't bring one, but I am not seeing it. Well, I don't know where the hell the screwdriver went. I may not need it. I don't remember exactly how. I remember it was kind of slick the way that it worked. I think it's screwed on the other side. Here, let me go see. I don't remember. They are in there though, I am telling you. Yeah, I remember. It has little pushy tabs. So you just push the tab and pull it out and then it pops right out. No tools required. Very cool. So there's this stuff, which is John's. That, which is Juan's. And this as well. Those are both John's. And that power thing is John's as well. So I'm gonna have to come back up here and give him a hand with all this stuff because there's a fair amount of stuff left. But there's really no point in me taking it home and then bringing it back here, I guess. I don't know. It wouldn't make any sense because of where I live. And I can't get on the roof to get my damn radio. That sucks. That was like the number one thing because I was kind of dreading doing it. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know exactly how I'm going to get it down. Planning on just carrying it, but I don't have any rope. I don't know. Well, we'll cross that bridge later because right now it doesn't matter. I can't get up there. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. I don't know. For now, let's take what I can get and go put it in the car, and then we can get the hell out of here. Micro market coming soon. Okie dokie. So that's that for now. I had some people asking why I was leaving the data center. Basically, I got a better connection, almost 3 times as fast, for about a fifth of the price, roughly, something like that. So, well, maybe a sixth even, I don't know. Way, way cheaper and way, way better. So while I do like being in the data center, it's not worth it. And come to find out, John has another data center that he works with that I might be able to put the shit in anyway. So really no point in being here anymore. That's why. So it's been about 1.5 years that I've been with Cogent. That's who the data center is through, for those of you that don't know. And they've been really good so far. If you need this type of thing and you can find a Cogent place near you, check them out. They're pretty easy to work with. They're pretty good. But I just noticed on my way back up here that there's still some dust from the cinder blocks. That's dust from the cinder blocks that I had on the cart when I first moved in and put the antenna up there. So we're gonna leave that here as a little piece of wind spear. Will be here forever. So stupid. I'll probably be back like tomorrow, but yeah. On to bigger things. I went from, the old connection was about 115 megs total, and now I'm getting about 300, a little over 300. So it's roughly 3 times the bandwidth for about 1/6 of the price. Yep, kind of a no-brainer. As much as I like having the data center and all, that just don't make sense. But yeah, like, share, sub, all that happy nonsense. Definitely more to come now that I'm actually doing things again. Maybe I'll start making videos more regularly. I got some big stuff coming up in November. I know that. What else is going on? Now that I have the bandwidth, I'm definitely going to start hooking people up again. That's nice. I hooked up 2 more people, or 3? 2 or 3? Well, 2 technically, and I got 1 hooked back up because his connection was garbage. Even before, it was awful. Not to mention the backhaul was garbage, so he was like getting double garbage. Now though, got him hooked back up. The 1 subscriber that I hooked up, where am I going? I'm going this way. The 1 subscriber that I hooked up, I actually, they had to put their radio in a tree. They had to mount it to a tree because of all the other trees around their house. It couldn't get line of sight. They're not the first to do that. I mean, I have another subscriber that has theirs mounted to a palm tree, so it does work. And then next to that radio, I put a Light AP GPS shooting back south because they're kind of to the north and he's south. So I shot right back down to his neighborhood, and looks like it's working good now. So he's happy. I can start charging him again because I haven't collected anything from him in quite a while. Yeah, if their connection doesn't work for whatever reason, I don't charge them, obviously, because that'd be kind of a dick move. Be like, hey, pay for your stuff that doesn't work. None of that, not doing that. So I can start charging him again, and I got 2 new ones, so that's basically like 3 new subs, so it's good. It's good. Gonna do some more soon. But for now, later.